Meaning of gibbon.
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 Gibbon. A gibbon is a type of small ape found in Asia, characterized by their long arms and ability to swing from tree to tree. They are an important part of many forest ecosystems, helping to disperse seeds and maintain plant diversity. Gibbons are also known for their melodic singing, which they use to communicate with one another and defend their territory. Unfortunately, many species of gibbon are currently threatened by habitat loss and hunting, making conservation efforts increasingly important to protect these unique and valuable creatures.